So here's our chicken tikka that we made earlier. So marinated and char grilled, ready to be put in the tikka masala sauce. I'm going to show you a really quick and easy masala sauce made using only 4 or 5 ingredients. So we've got our frying pan on. So I'm going to put that on high, and then we're going to add our oil. So we're going to add
2 tablespoons oil.
2 tablespoons of oil into our frying pan. Mum's coughing. We've just char grilled the chicken, and so it's kind of smoky in here. So make sure the oil coats the bottom of the pan. 2 cardamom.
Yeah, open like this and put inside. Nice taste smell.
I'm just going to put 2 cardamom in here. Give those a bit of stir. So cardamom gives a really nice taste.
Nice smell and taste.
And aroma, yeah.
And now add the onion.
So we've got about
medium.
one medium diced onion. So very finely diced. About this size.
It's option for cardamom.
The cardamom is optional. So if you don't have cardamom, don't worry. Yeah. So just want to soften those onions. So just want to soften. So keep stirring until you see the onions soften. So our onions have now browned. So you can see they've gone nice and translucent and a light brown. We're going to add our tomatoes. So we're adding about 3 tablespoons. Yeah, 2.5 to 3 tablespoons of chopped tomatoes. So we've got tinned tomatoes. You can add fresh if you want. Give that a good stir in the frying pan. So what we're going to add is, now we're going to add what, Mum?
This one I put the chicken.
So this was some of the leftover marinade for the chicken. Yeah.
And we put the 1 tablespoon curry paste inside.
And add a tablespoon of curry paste in there.
Mix together.
Yeah.
Like this. And a little bit warm water.
So adding a small amount, so about 3 tablespoons of warm water to it, and making it into a plate.
Not 3.
Yeah, it was about 3.
1.5.
It was about 3 tablespoons, Mum.
Now this one is like this inside, yeah?
Okay, and then add it to your frying pan. Give that a good stir. So we've got it on a low heat at the moment, but it's on our large stove, so it's just in the way.
Just a little bit more water. Don't take all. You don't want to waste anything.
Yep. So altogether that was about 5 to 6 tablespoons of water. And that actually helps the onions, tomatoes and curry paste and everything fry off without burning. If you need to add a little bit extra as well, don't worry, because it will all cook off. So we've got that really gently frying away, and we're adding about half a tablespoon. It's not really 3/4 of a tablespoon.
Yeah,
of
tomato puree.
Tomato puree. that just to... Now, if you're wondering about the colour on our chicken tikka, so we did get that to a nice ready colour, but we didn't use any artificial colour, so we used dry Kashmiri chilies, which we soaked in
They
boiling
nice
water.
flavor
Yeah.
and nice color.
Yeah.
And very, very mild.
The Kashmiri chilies are very mild. Yeah.
Children also eating.
Oh, sorry, I sneezed there. Oh, sorry about that. So yeah, Kashmiri chilies are very mild, but what we did, we just had about 3 or 4 Kashmiri chilies, the dry ones, and soak in boiling water. And then after about 5 or 6 minutes,
When it's soft, then
when
you
they're
grind
softened, you can just grind them. And then add that to your marinade. And it gives that really nice tandoori colour
it. Yeah.
without any artificial.
Because color not good for our body.
Yeah.
When oil coming out, then I put more water. I want to make the gravy little bit.
So we're just waiting for the oil to start coming out at the sides. So you can kind of see that a little bit already. You can see it's like sizzling at the edges now.
Now it's
It's been about 3 or 4 minutes, so we're going to add some warm water now.
how much gravy you want? You add the water about this.
Yeah. So you could add more water if you wanted, but we're not going to. We're just going to add, I think we've added about half a cup so far.
Because my grandson, he don't like too much gravy.
No, my son doesn't like too much sauce. And so about, yeah, half a cup of water we've added.
Yeah.
I'll put the heat up a little bit so that it starts
Bubbly.
bubbling and simmering away. You honestly can't go wrong with this recipe, it's so simple. So you can see that simmering away.
Then now add the cream.
We're going to add cream now. One. 2 tablespoons of cream.
You like more cream, then add more cream.
Yeah.
And do the slow gas, yeah?
So slow heat, so you want it to simmer away nicely.
And add the little bit butter, little small piece, like
And I'm
this
going to
small
add a
piece.
small piece of, just a knob of butter there.
Now your sauce is ready. Then add your chicken inside.
Put the chicken pieces in. So your chicken's already cooked through.
When you buy in the restaurant, they give a lot of gravy. If you like gravy more, then put the most water.
You can add more water and cream. We're going to add garam masala, Mum, at the end.
Yeah, and 1 minute, yeah. Add the chicken like this, yeah. And now add the garam masala.
Just remember, it's been on a slow heat for most of this process. And now just going to sprinkle
Half teaspoon.
about half teaspoon of garam
Garam
masala over the
masala.
top.
And later you add the fresh coriander.
I think
And
that
you
was more like
how-
a teaspoon of...
When you like sweet, then put little bit honey. Yeah. Yeah. In the restaurant they put sugar, but you like sweet, then put the honey here. It's ready. It's
So
finished.
this is really, really easy. Chicken tikka masala.
Masala.